Grains, fruits, nuts, and vegetables constitute the diet chosen for us by our Creator. Welcome to Sojourner's Outpost, brightening the path for stumbling and weary feet. I'm Pauline. For Healthy Lifestyle Kitchen today, we will be preparing tofu in the roses. This recipe, we need to have 2 cups of tofu, all crushed. We made tofu here at Sojourner's Outpost and we seasoned it ahead of time, all right? So here we made organic flour, chia seed, salt, organic coconut oil, and some hot water, okay? And we colored it with beet. Same ingredients except for turmeric. This one was colored with turmeric. We will be making roses, all right? And put the tofu in the roses. And we have some seasoning here to wake up the flavors. We have 2 tablespoons of chopped organic onion, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, organic. All the ingredients are organic, praise the Lord. And we have 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. We have salt, in case we need a little more salt. And we also have 2 tablespoons of organic coconut oil. I went ahead and put all the garlic, the onion, the thyme, the salt, and the coconut oil, and we are waking up the flavors in the tofu. So just go ahead and we have the red first, all right? The flour here, let's divide it up in about 5 or so, and we are going to just go ahead and roll out the dough. All right, just take this cutter and just kind of cut it out. Cut them out. We're going to try and get 4. Let's get 4. All right, so we're going to get 4 to make each rows. So this is what we did so far. It's the larger ones. All right. So we're just going to kind of like do this, a little water there, and we put this here in the center, and we do this again, a little water to kind of hold it in the center there. Let's make it like that. Do the same thing here, and we kind of have it to like that. And so just kind of flatten it down. It'll be easy to work with that way. And of course, we're gonna just go ahead and just put the tofu right here in the center. Just kind of line it up nicely in the center there. And it's the same thing. We want to do the same thing for the yellow ones. So, all right. All right. And we're just gonna fold like that. I'll use a little water to hold it down too. Here, in the water, hold it down to fold it. Just like that. Just fold it. This is how we're going to form the rows. We're just going to form like this. We're forming the rows like this. All right, so this is our roll right here, which is already greased. So we're just going to put that one there. And then we just take it from here and we just wrap it. And that's what we do. We do it like this. Do it like this. Like this. And we bake at 350 for 35 to 40 minutes. So we're done baking, and we went ahead and we used a brush with some oil and some beet juice, the red ones, and the yellow ones we brushed with a little turmeric and oil, beet and oil, turmeric and oil. The finished product, tofu in the roses. They're garnished with parsley. Thanks for watching.